Hi student, I hope you are well. I will discuss algebraic problem such as if x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 1/8 root 3, then prove that x is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Okay, solution. Solution. Given that given that x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 18 root 3. Okay, x cube x6 plus 1 is equal to 18 root 3 implies that x cube plus 1 is equal to 18 root 3 x cube. Implies that, sorry, x6, it will x6 plus 1. Then x6 plus 1 minus 18 root 3 x cube is equal to 0. Okay. Then x cube square. x6 means x cube square minus 2 into x cube into 9 root 3 plus 9 root 3 square minus 243 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll discuss this part. We know the formula a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here x cube means a square minus formula 2ab plus b square, and 9 root 3 is the additional term. Here 9 root 3 is equal to b, let, and it is the additional term, and 9 root 3 square is equal to means 243. Then plus 243 minus 243 cancel, and plus 1 means this plus. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square means x cube minus 9 root 3 a minus b whole square minus 242 240 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. X minus 9 root 3 square 242. X cube minus 9 root 3 square is equal to 11 root 2 square. 11 root 2 square means 242. Then cancelling a square on both sides, we get x cube minus 9 root 3 11 root 2, and x cube is equal to 9 root 3 plus 11 root 2. X cube is equal to 3 root 3 plus 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 root 3 plus 6 root 3 is equal to 9 root 3. 9 root 2 plus 2 root 2 means 11 root 2. X cube is equal to root 3 cube plus plus 3 root 3 square root 2 plus 3 root 3 root 2 square plus root 2 cube. Now we know a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here we can write root 3 cube means 3 root 3 plus 9 root 2. Root square cancel, 3 9. Then root 2 plus root square cancel 2. 3 2 6 into root 3 plus root 2 cube means 2 root 2. Now x cube is equal to, if we let root 2a and root 2b, a cube plus 3a square 3a square b plus 3a b square means root 2 square plus b cube means root 2 cube, this formula. Then we can write root 3 plus root 2 cube, and cancelling the cube on both sides, x is equal to root 2 root 3 plus root 2. Proved. And this is the solution. Thank you.